I know y'all are probably like, bitch, just show us the cupcake. You shall wait. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're returning, shout out you. I appreciate you as always. Today's video I'm super excited for. Today we're going to be discussing House of Sillage. I finally got my hands on a cupcake. I'm so excited. So basically it just came today, so we're gonna be unboxed. Well, I already took it out of the box, but first impressions, I have already smelled the scent that I ordered. I had ordered a discovery kit a few months back, so there's a few on my list that I want to have in my possession, but this is again my first cupcake and I'm so excited. I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so this is her. House of Sillage, like I said. House of Sillage is woman owned. There's a woman nose behind the scents. Of course, she may have some featured people, you know, who take part in discovering and creating and curating the scents, but in general it is woman owned, and I love that. Especially now we're in March, Women's Month. I think it should be all year in my opinion, but that's a whole nother story. Anyway, yeah, so back to the cupcake. This is how it came packaged. Beautiful packaging, nice, clean, crisp box. I know you guys are excited to know about what scent I chose, and let's open her up. So it has a nice little foam piece right here, which we can remove. It also comes with a nice cleaning cloth to keep the top of the cupcake clean. And that is how the top of the cupcake looks. Beautiful. Let's see what else is in here. Congratulations, you are now the owner of a signature edition perfume from the House of Sillage. Okay, so I'm gonna open my cloth and wipe off my cupcake because I'm anal like that. It ain't shining and we want her to shine. Okay, so I'm ready to reveal her to you. All right, so here she is. Opens down like this. This is her. This is her. This is Love in the Air by House of Sillage. Look at the juice, it's beautiful. I wish my nails were done. Please don't judge me. I was supposed to go today, but I got called into work and I was too excited to postpone filming this. So don't judge me. Nobody is perfect. I'm living very humbly. It's Lent. Let's do this. Back to regular programming. So this is how the top of her looks. Wait, is that? Yeah. Love is in the air. Stunning, absolutely stunning. I'm gonna read some of the notes about who she is, why I chose her, the kind of vibe that she gives me, and yeah. Okay, so I'm reading directly off the House of Sillage site, and the inspiration for Love is in the Air. It says, this fragrance flirts with delicately sweet hints of jasmine and succulent plum, paired with a romantic and smooth essence of white musk. Perched over the fragrance are two silver lovebirds, which are known to sing beautiful and harmonious songs of pure love. This fragrance fills the air with grace and tender affection and serves as a reminder that true love, worth keeping, should never be caged. How beautiful is that? That was so elegantly and gracefully put. And if it has anything to do with grace, it has everything to do with me. If you know, you know. If you caught that, hit the like button, period. So the notes are, the top notes are plum and blackcurrant. The heart notes are jasmine and cedarwood. The base notes are patchouli and musk. And the main note is me. because I'm what's missing, and it's beautiful on me. Okay, period. So some perks and notes about the fragrance itself as far as the craftsmanship. Each cap is adorned with 158 hand-placed Swarovski crystals. So this isn't the limited edition bottle. The limited edition bottle is actually the bottle that has the two birds perched atop. I'll place a picture. That limited edition bottle is like close to $1,000. So she was staying right where she was at. This was coming home with me. Like I said, I did have a sample. I ordered the discovery kit for the signature scents as well as Whispers in the Garden, which was a total of about maybe like anywhere from 13 to 15 cents. So I haven't gone through all of them. But this, Love is in the Air, Cherry Garden, and Passion de l'Amour are the three I instantly fell in love with, at least as of now. And I also have my mom playing with them, and she likes Whispers of Enlightenment, and I forgot the other one, but I know she had actually enjoyed this also. By the way, this retails for $360, but I got it on sale for 50% off. But yeah, let's open her up. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, it just says House of Sillage, and it says the title of the perfume, Love is in the Air. Beautiful. Okay, so this is her. By the way, this is a 2.5 fluid ounce. Awesome. So I'm gonna spray her on me. Let's get a shot of the atomizer. This is so beautiful. It's so clean smelling. It does come off slightly powdery on my skin. Right off the bat, I'm getting the plum. Definitely the patchouli. I love patchouli in my fragrances. And it never really smells too dirty on me either. I can't really explain this. It's just beautiful. It's so, it evokes like romance. Like I wouldn't say this. I mean, anything can be a signature scent, put it that way. If you like it enough, if that's what you want to be identified with, yes, of course, make it your signature scent. But this seems so, like, personally, this isn't something that I would wear every day. This is something that I would want to cherish, you know what I mean? It's so beautiful. I'm so happy that this is my first Cupcake. She is stunning. It's so special, I wouldn't want to wear it every day. I would wear this to things that personally made me feel special. So like, for example, today's my niece's birthday, and if I was going to see her, this is like a scent that I would wear because I would love to have this association, like the way that this scent makes me feel, linked to her. Like that's something that, you know, I would find beautiful. So I guess it kind of just depends on what you want to link the scent to. I love this. The only thing I will say though, House of Sillage, where were my samples? Like, y'all couldn't throw no samples in the box? Like, there were no samples. Let me show you guys actually what came in the box. So what came in the box was just the packing slip, basically. Thanks for your business. This House of Sillage card saying thank you for shopping with them. And they have a new fragrance, Disney by Sillage, which also smells pretty good, but I don't know if it's worth $400. And it's just a card basically stating the notes and, you know, just talking about the card. They didn't even include a sample of this. Like, how you gonna promote something and not at least give me a taste of it? Just saying. Just saying. But yes, anyway, back to my Cupcake. Again, I'm so happy that I have her in my collection. She's definitely one of a kind. Oh my gosh, she's changing a little. This smells so good. This smells like so rich and like nothing I've ever smelled before. It smells so clean and fresh. Like I said, it has a little bit of a powdery scent, but it doesn't age the scent at all. Like it's not misplaced or overused or overdone. It's just simply beautiful. Okay, so yes, that is my review on Love is in the Air by House of Sillage. So I hope that you've liked this video. If you did like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It truly means literally the world to me. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've heard of House of Sillage, because up until recently I hadn't. If you're interested in any of the scents, if you're interested in this one, anything, like, just let's talk it up in the comments. I don't mind at all. So yes, I hope that you all have a blessed day or blessed night whenever you're watching this or wherever you are, and stay safe, and thank you again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.